top gaming PC of 2024. Selecting the ideal gaming PC can be a daunting task, especially given the plethora of options available. From intricate spec sheets to various configurations, it's easy to get lost in the details. However, fear not, we've curated a collection of powerful gaming rigs and budget-friendly options to simplify your decision-making process. While building your own PC remains an enticing prospect, opting for a pre-built system can be more cost-effective and significantly less complicated. Imagine unboxing a PC equipped with top-tier graphics cards and processors, ready to tackle the latest PC games right out of the gate. No assembly required, no prayers to the tech gods. The market boasts an array of gaming computers, spanning household brands like HP and Dell to specialized custom PC builders like Maingear and Orion. Drawing from our extensive experience testing and reviewing gaming PCs, we have compiled a list of the top desktop PCs of 2024. Before proceeding to the video, do like the video and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Alienware Aurora R16. Specification. Processor, Intel Core i7-13700F. RAM, 32GB. Graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. Storage, 512GB. Dell has bid farewell to the quirky, space-age design of the old Alienware Aurora. It's time for a fresh start. Dell has revamped its Aurora gaming desktop line, opting for a sleek and more refined look that still manages to stand out without veering into the bizarre. The redesigned chassis features an RGB light ring reminiscent of the Alienware X16 laptops. But don't be fooled by the aesthetics, the internal components remain as potent as ever. In our rigorous tests, the Aurora R16 effortlessly handled demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Dirt 5 at QHD resolution. And if you're craving 4K gaming, fear not, most games supported it, especially when paired with NVIDIA DLSS 3. Despite the compact case, Dell has prioritized ventilation, ensuring cool and quiet performance during extended gaming sessions. The Aurora R16 is a triumphant product reboot, combining style and substance for discerning gamers. Acer Predator Orion 7000. Specification. Processor, up to Intel Core i7. RAM, 16GB. Graphics card, up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti. Storage, up to 1TB HDD, 1TB SSD. The Acer Predator Orion 7000, 2023, stands as a luxurious choice in the realm of gaming desktops. A refreshed version of the stellar 2022 model, it seamlessly combines power and style. Designed with high-end specifications tailored for 4K gaming, this beast allows you to crank up graphics settings to the max and revel in buttery smooth frame rates. In the realm of Final Fantasy VII Remake, prepare to be astounded. At 4K Ultra settings with ray tracing enabled, the Orion 7000 churns out a jaw-dropping 256 frames per second. Impressive, right? Of course, every advantage comes with its trade-offs. The price tag on this unit is hefty, and when you're pushing the limits with graphically demanding titles, the fans kick into overdrive. But fear not, the robust cooling system keeps things in check, and a top-notch gaming headset will drown out any noise. Plus, the chassis strikes a balance between functionality and aesthetics. It's easily accessible for upgrades and maintenance, boasts elegant cable management, and flaunts an abundance of I/O ports. And let's not forget, it looks downright fantastic. iBuyPower Y60. Specification. Processor, Intel Core i7-12700KF. RAM, 16GB DDR4-3600. Graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti. Storage, 2TB SSD. The iBuyPower Y60 may not hog your desk space, but its design is bound to turn heads. Picture this, it resembles a sleek fish tank, and that quirkiness is precisely what makes it charming. Now, let's dive into the guts of this rig. The Height Y60 mid-tower case, housing our review unit, boasts seriously potent components. Think Intel and NVIDIA, the latest and greatest. While its aesthetics are alluring, mobility isn't its strong suit. Once you've found its designated spot, though, working with it becomes a breeze. Just be prepared, the Y60 can get a tad toasty during those adrenaline-fueled gaming marathons. HP Victus 15L. Specification: processor, up to Intel Core i7-13700. Graphics, up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 360. RAM, up to 16GB DDR4. Storage, up to 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD plus 1TB 7200 RPM SATA HDD. The HP Victus 15L doesn't pretend, it proudly wears its budget gaming PC badge. It's not the beefiest or flashiest system out there, and its configurations may not match the heavyweights on this list. But that's not necessarily a drawback. In fact, it translates to a lower starting price, with even more powerful versions remaining affordable, and a compact form factor, perfect for setups where desktop space is at a premium. Despite its budget-friendly status, our testing revealed that the HP Victus 15L delivers solid 1080p gaming performance. A little tweaking in the graphical settings ensures smooth frame rates. Steer clear of ultra presets and ray tracing, and you'll be all set for the majority of games at 1080p. Plus, it offers decent upgradability and a handy array of front-facing ports. If you're hunting for an affordable gaming PC, this one's a winner. Dell XPS 8960. Specifications: CPU 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13700. GPU NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. RAM 32GB. Storage 1TB. If you're after a potent gaming PC, then the Dell XPS 8960 is your ideal pick. Unlike its flashy counterparts, this desktop PC feels more suited to an office setup than a neon-lit gaming den. But appearances can be deceiving. Beneath its unassuming exterior lies serious gaming muscle. Customization options abound, catering to those who crave more than the base model. Fancy Intel Raptor Lake 13th Gen chips and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4000 series GPUs? You got it. Naturally, these upgrades come with a price hike. However, even the starting configuration, with its RTX 4070 graphics card, Intel Core i7-13700 processor, 32GB of RAM, and 1TB SSD, handles graphically demanding games with ease. So, whether you're battling dragons or exploring distant galaxies, the XPS 8960 has your back. These are the best desktop gaming PC we've handpicked for you, the cream of the crop for 2024. So whether you're a seasoned gamer or a newbie, rest assured that your perfect gaming companion awaits. If you like the list, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.